In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Amazon Prime membership on iPhone. We will walk through the process using the Amazon Shopping app so you can start your membership without leaving your phone. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone. Look for the familiar Amazon logo icon on your home screen or in your app library. When the app opens, you should land on the main Amazon homepage with a search bar at the top and product suggestions below. If the app asks for permission to send notifications, you can choose either option. It does not affect Prime. Now sign in to your Amazon account. If you already see your name or a greeting at the top, you are likely signed in already. If not, tap the Sign In button and enter your email address or mobile number and your password. After you sign in, you should see the homepage update with more personalized product recommendations and your name near the top of the screen. Next, tap the menu icon at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your app version. On some iPhones, this looks like 3 horizontal lines labeled Menu at the bottom right. On others, you might see the same 3-line icon in the top left. When you tap it, the screen will slide over to show a long list of options, including your orders, your account, and various programs. From there, look for an option labeled Prime or Try Prime. Scroll down the menu slowly so you do not skip past it, since it can appear in slightly different spots on different accounts. When you find Prime or Try Prime, the text might be highlighted or have a small crown-style icon next to it. Tapping it will open the Prime information page. Now tap Join Prime or Start Your Prime membership. On this screen, Amazon usually explains what Prime includes, such as faster shipping and access to Prime Video, where available. The button you need is usually bright and easy to spot near the top of the page. Once you tap it, you are taken to the sign-up details and pricing screen. After that, review the available membership and any trial offer. You might see a free trial option or choices between monthly and yearly billing, depending on your country. Read the price and billing frequency shown on this page so you know exactly how often you will be charged. Many beginners miss that the subscription renews automatically until you cancel, and that information usually appears near the bottom of this section. Next up, select your payment method. You may see one or more cards already listed if you have shopped on Amazon before. You can tap one of these to use it or choose the option to add a new card. When adding a card, double-check the card number and expiration date before you continue. Once selected, your chosen payment method will show with a small check mark. Finally, confirm your membership. The screen will show a final summary with the membership type, price, and start date. When you tap the Confirm button, the app processes your payment and then shows a confirmation message that your Prime membership is active. You have now set up Amazon Prime on your iPhone, so if this helped you get your membership running, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick guides.